at the branch.
Yeah,
It's
it's
a
bent. Yeah. Acacia.
It's so hungry.
Acacia flowers. Bent down. That's what you should do. Let's go. Just look around one round and then go back. Whoa. The petals have fallen. OMG. It's really fast. Yeah, just like cherry blossoms, just 1 week. Yeah, just 1 week. And then it rains, the petals fall faster. Ah, look at this. Oh, it's muddy. It smells so good. Smells like honey. Oh, this one is so low. Oh my god, these are very young trees. How's it? Oh, this one smells so good. Kimchi kimbap are smelling. It smells like honey. Honey. Wow. Very young acacia trees. Wow. Can you show me your hand? Do they feel like wisteria? Wisteria?
Here.
Like wisteria. Oh, so pretty. It's very wet. Let's go. Let's check out this park. More wisteria over there. I don't want to go down. Oh, azaleas. Oh, this is a nice park. First time in this park. No, let's go up. Little more acacia there. I'm worried the watermelon vendor will disappear. That's a tugemano.
You cannot tell it.
That's too heavy.